Hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing with you how to use a number line for addition and subtraction with double-digit numbers. Make sure you have a whiteboard marker eraser and solve the problems along with me. Here we go. First, we'll start with 43 plus 26. The first thing you do is you create an open number line, and you always start with the larger of the two numbers. So 43 is the largest number, so I'm going to start there. So I'll write down my 43. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how much I'll be jumping. I'm going to jump 26. So what I do first is I will jump 2 tens. So I'll go 10, 20, and I will stop there and write that answer down. These are each valued at 10. Now I will jump 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'll write the answer there, which will be the final answer. So I'll go back to the beginning. If I'm at 43 and I'm jumping a 10, it's the 40 that's changing. So it's 43, 53, 63. So I'm at 63. Now I'm at 63, and I'm just going to jump by ones. These are all ones. So 63 is here, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. That's my answer, 69. Okay. When you're jumping here, you don't have to go by just 10 and 10. If you want to go ahead and just say 20, you can do 20. It just depends on how good you are at adding in your head, okay? Let's do another one. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get started with 38 plus 34. I'll make my open number line, and I'll be starting with 38. Step one is to add 30, 3 tens. I can do this and just jump 30 in one big jump, okay? And then I'll jump 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those are all ones right here. These are ones. So when I go back to the 38, and I'm going to think about 30 and 30. That's really what I'm adding here. This is 30 plus 38, okay? So 30 plus 30 is 60. Don't forget the 8. So here it's 68. 68 is right here. Now I'm going to jump by ones. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay. That's how you use an open number line for addition. Now we're going to take a look at using an open number line to solve subtraction problems. There's 2 ways you can do it. So I'm going to do both ways right now. So let's check it out. I'm going to make that open number line. And I'm going to start on this side with 76. And I'll be jumping backwards 38 spaces. So I'll start with the tens. I'm going to jump back 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Those are all taking away a 10. Now I'll jump back 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all ones. So I'm going to go back to 76, and the 70 is what's changing. The 6 stays the same. So 76 is here. Take away 10, 66, 56, 46. That's why we've been practicing adding and subtracting by 10 all year long. So here we are. This is why it's set us up for this spot that we're at right now. So now I change my thinking, because now I'm just counting backwards by ones, regular counting backwards that you learned how to do in kindergarten. So this is 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38. The answer is 38. 38 is our final answer. So that's how you do it if you're counting backwards. We've been practicing in class jumping up. So this is the other way you can do it. You can start at 38 and stop at 76. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be using addition to help us get the answer. So if I'm at 38, I want to go to my next friendly 10. And the next friendly 10 is 40. If I'm at 40, my goal is to get as close to 76 without going over. So that's 70. I can't jump to 80 because I passed my goal. So there's my 70, and then one big jump of just the 6 right there. So now I've got to label the jumps. So when I was at 38 and I jumped to 40, that's 2 jumps. When I'm at 40 and I jump to 70, that's 30 jumps. When I'm at 70 and I jump to 76, that's 6 jumps. Now I just add these up really quickly in my head. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 30 is 38, and that's the answer. So you need to decide when you're doing subtraction on an open number line which way you like better. You might like counting backwards better. That sounds great. You might like counting up and then adding the jumps. That sounds great. You do the one that you like best. I'm going to do one more like this. Okay. We've got 89 minus 43. I'll go with jumping back. I'll start at 89. I'll jump back 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, and 40. And these are tens. I label it so I don't forget. And then I'll jump back 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And I'll do that little take away 1 so I don't forget. Now I'm going to go back. I'm at 89. 89 is here. 10 less, 79. 69. 59. 49. 49. I'm at 49. I'm going to go backwards by ones. 49. 48. 47. 46. 46 is the answer. Now I'll do the same thing, but this time I'm going to jump up on an open number line. I'll start at 43 and I'll stop at 89. Here I go. So I'm at 43. First thing I want to do is get to a friendly 10. The next friendly 10 is 50. From 43 to 50, it's 7 jumps. I'm supposed to know that by heart because I know 7 and 3 makes a 10. I'm at 50 trying to get to 89. I'll go all the way to 80. And from 50 to 80 is 30. Because 50 and 30 is 80. I know that. Now the last jump is just a jump of 9. Now I've got to add it all up. So here I go. 7 plus 9 is 16. Now I'm going to add 16 and 30, and that's 46. I'm doing this all inside my head. There's the 46. I'm doing it in my head because I've been practicing addition all year long, and I'm a second grader, and I'm supposed to know all of this by heart. That's how you subtract on an open number line, jumping back and jumping up. Practice, practice, practice.